Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to upload video on Steam. So let's get started. So to upload a video on your Steam account, what you have to do is first of all open up your Steam account in a browser. So you can't upload a video from your Steam application. What you have to do is just close your Steam application and then open up your browser and then search for Steam login. So you can select any browser you like. So after opening up your browser, in search bar you can just search for Steam login. After searching for Steam login, here you can find this option which says sign in Steam. So just tap on that. And after tapping on that option, what you have to do is you have to enter your Steam account's name and password. So I have already logged into my account, so I don't need to enter that, but you have to enter your account's Steam name and password and then verify your account through your phone. So after doing that, you will access your Steam account in a browser, and then what you can do is just tap on this option which is community, and inside that you can find this option. After tapping on this option, now what you can do is just scroll down, and in here you can find this option which says videos. So just tap on videos. After tapping on video, here you can find this option which says how do I upload a video. So you can just tap on this option, and after tapping on that option you will direct it to this page, and over here what you can do is just tap on this option which says adding video, and by tapping on that, now you will come up here, and over here you can find this hyperlink which says videos. So just tap on it, and after tapping on it, now you have to again enter your account's email, and after tapping on that hyperlink you have to again enter your account's name and password. I have already linked my account. You just have to enter your account's name and password and then verify through your phone. And after doing that, now you can just link your YouTube account. So here you can find this option which says link YouTube account. Just tap on that, and after tapping on that, now you have to tap on access your YouTube videos, and then you have to link your YouTube account with your Steam. So just link that, just allow the access. And after doing that, now in order to upload a video in your Steam, what you have to do is just select a video from your YouTube. Now what you can do is select any one of those videos that you have uploaded on your YouTube account. For example, I'll select this video, and now what you can do is just tap on add video, and you will add this video to your account. And now to check if you have successfully added a video on your Steam account, what you can do is just again tap on this video option. And by tapping on that, here you can see I have successfully uploaded a video in my Steam account. So that's it guys, this is how to upload a video on Steam. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.